can you see Samsung's The Wall? Here we are at the Gryphon Audio Design Showroom at the PDC. Let me show you. And there she is, the IAB 146, The Wall. This is the 0.8 millimeter pixel pitch, so native 4K, micro LED, so every pixel has full red, green, and blue. We can do full DCI P3 color. The contrast is off the charts on this. And we actually have the brightness turned down right now because the room is not at full lighting. It's, for cinema watching, we usually have a little bit lower down. You can see that this only takes up about 1.25 inches of space coming off the wall. The installation was very simple. It was put up in less than a day. And when you're sitting back here on the couch, the experience is unbelievable.
Hey guys, welcome to Gryphon Audio Los Angeles.
And there's Joe Cali.
Here you go. Gryphon Audio, the finest audio equipment in the world. This is our mono brand showroom, and what would be a better compliment to the finest audio system in the world than the Samsung The Wall, the finest video that you can see. Incredible performance. I've had amazing music industry technicians, artists come in, listen to the system, and they've seen this wall and been knocked out. Absolutely knocked out. Directors, filmmakers, actors, people that make the product. Incredible. Come on, let's show you what we do. This is the Gryphon reference system, Kodo loudspeakers, mono brand Apex amplifiers. We make all the cables, power units, turntables, CD player. All amazing. This is the only store Gryphon has, 3 sound rooms of all Gryphon equipment in the world. And we're really, really happy that Samsung is willing to put the wall here.
So there we have it. Come see us. We'll show you everything there is to know about designing a room with the finest audio and the finest video that you can imagine.
There you go. I love it. I love it.